Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will write 10 lines essay on my aim in life. My aim in life is to become a doctor. I want to help people who are sick. Doctors save lives and make people healthy. I am very inspired by their work. I will study hard to achieve my goal. I will go to medical school for training. Being a doctor is a noble profession. I want to serve my community. Helping others gives me great joy. I hope to be a good and kind doctor.